Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel 360 Crypto. I am your host Eric and I go by 360. A lot of news in crypto I'm going to be focusing on today on my channel. It's going to be Bitcoin, it's going to be Terra Luna, and it's going to be GameStop as well. And the fourth but not least would be my portfolio and where I stand and how this bear market is hurting my portfolio. But as always guys, thank you guys for tuning into the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and remember, strength in numbers, we are stronger together. Don't forget to buy the dip. All right guys, as always, if you guys get a chance to subscribe to my Instagram 360 Crypto, I do try to post on the daily, basically repost other posts from crypto's Instagrams that you can follow as well. Something new that I want to bring in, I know I've been doing the bubbles lately. I want to use this rainbow chart, and what it is basically saying where Bitcoin's at in price and how it's trying to reach to 500,000. So right now we're basically in a buy territory where you want to buy Bitcoin and try to accumulate. And if you look over the years, back in 2020, March of 17, it was at $5,000 when it hit the blue. In 2017 as well, when it hit 1,000, and I believe one in 2018 when it hit 3,400. So there's a lot of speculation that Bitcoin could be going to 5,000, and I'm gonna let you know what I'm doing to prepare if Bitcoin does go to 5,000. This is something new that I want to show you guys. Pretty cool, interesting. You got max bubble territory. You got sell, seriously sell. You got FOMO. Is this a bubble? Hold, still cheap, accumulate, buy, basically fire sell. So this is pretty cool. If you guys want to check it out, you can go to Google and put Bitcoin rainbow price chart. Now, as we get into the bubbles, as you can see, we have Luna, we have Solana down, we have BAT down, BNB is up 4.8%, we have Bitcoin Cash down, and we have majority of the market is still down. So a lot of these coins, if you are holding, I hope that you are dollar cost averaging on these coins, because again, it is a fire sale right now. Now, when we look at the fear and index for Bitcoin, right now people are in the fear. Why? Because there is again speculation that Bitcoin heading into the summer, we could see at 5,000. For me, again, I dollar cost average every buy $10, $20, but I do speed up my process in buying. Now again guys, I do have personal bills, I do have a personal loan. I am trying to work to pay that off to put more money into the market. As we go to the asset ranks, gold is still sitting in the number one spot at $11.8 trillion, Apple at 2.5 trillion, the Saudis at 2.3 trillion, Microsoft at 2.1 trillion, Google at 1.5, silver at 1.2 trillion, Amazon 1.26 trillion, Tesla at 935 billion, and then Bitcoin still holding strong at number 9 with 732.29 billion. I know that Ethereum has dropped. I know Ethereum was before sitting at top 20, but is in the top 30 now. Again guys, I like pulling up this chart just so you guys can see where the market's at with all assets put together, right? So as we look at the timeline for Bitcoin, there's always good news and there's always bad news. How many times Bitcoin has been dead, quote unquote. If I can read this one really quick, just another bearish Monday. Again, the market, everyone is speculating that we can see 5,000 heading into the summer. We'll see what happens. Now, again, when you guys use Twitter for Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies, like I always say, make sure that you use it as a research tool and not a investing tool. A lot of things go on Twitter, as you can see right here. Eventually, all good things must come to an end. So what are they trying to say is that Bitcoin is going to end up hitting 1,800, 5,000, then it could bounce up, but we don't know. I don't know the market. I dollar cost average. Let me pull up my Telegram now. Again, guys, a lot of people are fearing the market because what happened with Terra Luna, which was the depegging of its $1, how Luna dumped. Now it's happening to Tether, right? So if I read this really quick, it says, just then, Tether withdraws 10 billion, 13% of supply as regulators rise alarm about stable coin. Last time 44% of the supply was withdrew in October 2018, which preceded the crash from 6,000 to 3,000 in November 28. And I do remember that crash because I got into Bitcoin late 2017, November, December. Bitcoin came down, and again, I started accumulating. Look 4 years, 5 years into the future, and look where we're at. We're sitting at 29,000. Not a lot of much noise, but just by looking at this, one of the groups that I'm in, the one that I pay for, pretty much Bitcoin is trading sideways on a resistance and a support. So Bitcoin support is at 28.5, and then the resistance is at 35. All right, guys, we're moving on. I'm gonna show you guys my portfolio. let me bring this up so you guys can see. So if you look at my portfolio, now these are the coins that I've been tracking. Some coins I have not been tracking, but I'm in the red. So what this tells me is I have to dollar cost average, right? So what I would do is I would go from the bottom and then I would go from the top and see where I can put more money in. Now again, guys, do keep in mind, everything I do is for only research and my strategy is very aggressive. Now, if I had thousands and thousands of dollars, I would be putting in thousands of dollars. I don't have thousands of dollars, so I'm only putting what I can afford now until I pay off all my personal loans and debt. So right off the bat, CRO would be one of the tokens that I would definitely dollar cost average. So right now I only hold 250 CRO tokens, which is the market value at $46. So I would need to put 60 bucks just to cover that loss if the market starts to go up. The next thing that I would do, actually, I did buy some Terra Luna. We'll go on that to later. The next coin that I would be these meta tokens right here, these last four. Why? Because I am down $8, so I could put 20 bucks and I'll be good. Atlas, I'm down $31, so I can put 40 bucks. Meta Hero, I'd put another 40, and Radio, I could put another 40. So this is something that I would focus on. These coins right here, 40, 80, 90, 100, about $120. If I can put $120 into these coins, then I can add more coins to my portfolio, pretty much hold on. Now again, there is a lot of great news with meta games, etc., the metaverse, etc. And as we move forward, GameStop as well. They now are going to offer a wallet, but a little more after. Let me go into Terra Luna. So Terra Luna right now, I'm currently down $63, make it 64. I bought $23. This was a bad buy, the first one, May 12th. I should have waited. As always, I cannot time the market. I had $48 to go. I wanted to put in at 1 cent. Then I was like, you know what? Let me put another $24, another $24. Now, as far as the news for Luna, look how this guy says, Luna, just buy 100,000 Lunas, cost only $20 US to try to forget even if you have it. So he's basically saying is like, put $20, right? How many times do you go spend $20 on something random? If it hits $1, that's $120,000. If it goes to zero, well, you just lost $20. Now, don't put in $10,000, $20,000 into this coin. Personally, to me, the max I'm gonna put is $100, you know? And if my coins go to, see, I have 188,000 coins. I get even $1 for the, that's $180,000. But there's a lot of good news and bad news for Luna. As we scroll down right here, open this up. Indians central banks warn against the risk of crypto following Terra Luna collapse. Crypto influencer arrested after trying to confront Don't Know at his home. South Korea exchanges could be held responsible for Terra crash. U.S. Senator says terrorist investors may be victim of fraud. And there's just a lot of bad news, a lot of FUD. Just again, guys, I'm not saying get into Terra. I don't know what's gonna happen in Terra, but if you're willing to lose $20, $30, go ahead and do it. You know, it's 20 bucks. You could earn free money. I do have links listed in the bottom where you can buy. I currently bought my Luna coins on KuCoin. There is a link down there in the description so you can earn money when you do trade for Robinhood, KuCoin, Binance, etc. All right, guys. Now looking at this overall, my portfolio, I am down $5,708. Now, do I have $5,708? No, I don't. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and attack the smaller tokens. And as I start going up, I'll start putting in more on the bigger tokens. EOS, I'm gonna be honest with you, at this point, I think I'm not gonna dollar cost average anymore. $3,000 lost. What's going on right here with Nexo wallet? I hold my EOS on this wallet, and the downside about this that I can't buy any more tokens and send them here because in the US, you're not allowed to stake on exchanges like this anymore. So whatever I have locked up here is just keep earning me and earning me. I have been earning a good amount of tokens, 1-2 tokens a day. As you can see right here, see they deposit 1.7 and you scroll down, I'm just earning money. Will I buy more EOS? No. Will I dollar cost average? Not anymore. I will do Neo, I will do Cardano, I will do Zill, I will do to Solana, CRO, and these bottom coins as well. Same thing with my Gemini account. I'm in the red. Pretty much I put about $2,000 worth in Gemini for Bitcoin Cash, and I am currently in the red. But my portfolio is to earn interest as I hold. Something you can do in the stock market. You can buy certain stocks that pay you dividends. Even though the market's doing bad, you can still earn dividends. I just started buying Ethereum on here, so I only put $10 in here. I do plan to grow these portfolios as well. I want to be able to hold at least 10 Bitcoin Cash. I want to be able to hold at least one Ethereum in here to earn 1.26%. Now, I was holding my Bitcoin on here. I was buying again, you know, like I was saying, $10, $20, $10, $20. But unfortunately, I cannot send any more Bitcoin to the Earn wallet. It'll just go into a custody wallet. Again, regulators are trying to stop most of these exchanges where you can earn money, because, you know, you can earn up to about 1-2% on your money. Currently, I'm still buying Bitcoin, but I only hold it in the Cash App. Go to Cash App, I'll go to Cash App and buy here. And also I hold on Swan account as well. Now, what am I doing for Bitcoin? I'm pretty much getting ready for the next big drop. Do I have an excessive amount of money ready to go into Bitcoin? Yes. How much? I can say a little over $3,000 to $4,000. So if Bitcoin does reach that $5,000 mark, then I can buy one full Bitcoin. Once again, put me in a position where I'm holding 1.5 Bitcoin. All right, guys, and the last thing we're going to talk about is GameStop is getting into cryptocurrencies. The funny thing is, I used to work for GameStop. I got fired from GameStop, and I would tell my district manager, it's only a matter of time that GameStop gets into crypto. And he would say, yeah, right, whatever. GameStop is now in the crypto space. You can download this wallet if you have a browser with Google Chrome. I use the Brave browser, so I could download this wallet. You're able to basically store your NFTs, and it's a non-custodial, so that means that they give you your keys, so they don't hold your keys. They give you your keys, and you cannot lose those keys. If not, then you lose pretty much whatever you store, your coins, etc., etc. Have I downloaded it yet? No, I'm still waiting to see what they're gonna do. I'm pretty sure they're gonna open up a market with gaming and NFTs, which is a good look for them long term, because the whole them buying your games for cheap, I hated that. This is a really good look for GameStop, and again, it's a non-custodial, meaning that users have access to their private keys, and it is built on the Ethereum. So I haven't seen what coins. I'll probably do it later. I'll do a whole video on it. I'll download it, get into this, pretty much see their whole market. But as always, guys, the last thing I want to tell you guys is that if we're in a bear market, dollar cost average your coins. Don't get spooked. Do not sell. You only lose when you sell your coins. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. And again, guys, if you want to earn free money to invest, Robinhood, M1, Coinbase, BlockFi, etc., the links are listed below. You can use my invitation codes and earn money. Thank you, guys. Till next one. Peace out.